So hey guys, this is Architect Raj Patel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to move object in the SketchUp. So basically I start the intro and all the enhancement. So just will already open the SketchUp file and just select the template here, architectural inches. You can select on your any of your requirement. Just I open the SketchUp screen. So it's basically easy. I already customized this one, but if you start SketchUp, you will see this one already in by default. So this is the my basic 2021 SketchUp version. All the version is basically same. So just I click. Here is the arrow key, and you can find the move tool, and you can also type shortcut of the M. Type M for the move tool. So what you need to do is just I make the object to show you. You can make any of the object, and I just draw the rectangle and pull up and just select all and make the group. So you don't need to do this, I just gonna do to show you. So what you need to do is just select on the move cursor or type the M, so it is highlighted. Now you have the all the pivots. So if you put the mouse cursor here, so you can see the this middle part. If you snap upon the corners and edges, you can move from the object from the here. So what you do is, first step what you do is just try select the corner. So it is basically easy. So after click there, you can see the it will attached on your mouse cursor. Then just you can see the distance in any direction. So as you can see, the green line is parallel to this axis, and this red line is parallel to this red axis. So what you do is, if you want to move in green direction, just tap on the right arrow or check out the right, up, down, or what is your preferable. So if I just press the up arrow, so it will automatically go in the parallel of up direction. If I type the right arrow, so it will go in red. If I click on the green one, so it will go in the green direction. So you can see easily it's moving. Now if you want to move specific dimension, on specific dimension, just type it. I just type 10 feet here, so it will go 10 feet. So what it is basic easy. Just click on the move icon, tap on the any of, if I want to move from the middle, just click on that and snap on the direction, any of direction, and type the distance. Here I type the 10 feet, so it will go the 10 feet. If I want to move upper side, it snap will automatically happen, but you need to check out from the, to prevent error, it is better to use the arrows to lock the axis. So it is going in upper direction, so it is going the upper direction. I type the height, so you can see this is the above the ground level. So it is this easy. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my video. And if you don't watch the SketchUp and how, if you don't watch my previous videos how to start the SketchUp, and if you are a beginner and don't know how to start and uh, how to start your journey and designing field and interior design, architecture, whatever you want, so just click check out the previous videos I mentioned here on the end of the video. Just tap on that and watch the casual talks on the SketchUp of 30 minutes of video, and you will know majority tools and major objecting and tricks about the SketchUp. So you can basically start your journey. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my video, and please tap on the bell icon if you like the video, and share with your more and more colleagues. So bye for the now.